Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO 10e Chromebook, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's find it and then tap on it. And right now we are in the standard photo mode. Let the camera focus. Hello. We are on the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar here, and as you can see, this option is related to the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got three options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to simply tap on the option you want to, and as you can see, the icon will change slightly, which is quite cool, because you will always be able to say whether you've got the timer or not. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, we've got it. Of course, you can turn off the timer, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.